An all-out push to get people vaccinated against monkeypox as the numbers are growing. LA County says it will release its entire supply of vaccine by the end of the weekend to help slow the outbreak. KCAL 9's Lori Perez is live in West Hollywood now, where experts came together tonight to talk about their concerns. Lori?
Well, Pat, as you know, West Hollywood has a very large LGBTQ population, so city leaders are really trying to stay ahead of this, not because this is a disease only for that community, but because that is the population being most affected by it right now.
More and more lesions began to appear all over my body.
Of all the experts on West Hollywood's Monkeypox town hall panel, it was actor Matt Ford, who just recovered from the virus, who seemed to hold the small crowd's attention most.
Arms, feet, shoulders, I think there was one on my scalp. I counted more than 25 total. And at worst, these were excruciatingly painful.
His, one of the 261 confirmed cases of monkeypox LA County has recorded as of Tuesday, all reported by men, almost all who identify as LGBTQ. To try and stop the growing numbers, county health officials announced Wednesday they'll put almost every dose of the monkeypox vaccine they have, about 24,000, into arms by Sunday. In LA County, there are two tiers of criteria to get it. One is for people who had contact with anyone with monkeypox. The second category includes LGBTQ people who were diagnosed with STDs in the last year, are on HIV PrEP, or those who attended saunas or have multiple partners. Demand is spiking. 4,000 spots to register for the vaccine were filled within hours.
We opened that portal up at 9 a.m. and by 12 p.m. we had reached capacity.
Aside from and until getting vaccinated, experts say men who have sex with men might consider what we've learned through AIDS and COVID about the benefits of pods, as data shows they are the group most at risk so far.
Small numbers of people that come to a mutual agreement that they're only going to have sex with people inside that group and commit to doing it, having sex just with the people in your pod so it doesn't spread further.
That being said, experts say framing this as a gay man's disease is dangerous and could keep people from getting tested or treated. Despite the data on current infections, experts say monkeypox can be contracted by anyone if they have skin-to-skin contact with a person with the disease.
The stigma that has occurred with regard to our gay community, with regard to bisexual and gay men, has been absolutely horrific around monkeypox and homophobic against the LGBTQ community. And we in West Hollywood, in the city of West Hollywood, denounce all of that.
Now, none of the cases in LA County, none of the monkeypox cases have been hospitalized or died. LA County officials say they will get more vaccine from the federal government next month. They announced tonight they are working with the city of West Hollywood to get a mobile vaccine clinic on the road. In West Hollywood, I'm Lori Perez. Back to you.
Lori, thanks. Property owners in LA